हेलो चिल्ड्रन आपके UT1 एग्जामिनेशन चल रहे हैं एंड योर लास्ट पेपर इन UT1 इज़ ऑफ GK. यस, सो बेटा GK पेपर इज़ ऑन 30th July 2020. The timings are for the written 9:30 to 10:30 AM. Beta, syllabus of GK I have been telling you number of times. I am repeating here again. Pages 7 to page 25. A link will be shared to you at 9:25. That will be through Google form and you will be doing your written exam. जैसे आप normally हर पेपर कर रहे हो, same way you will be having your GK. Now GK orals are going to be conducted the same day. उसी दिन GK orals भी होगा. That is on 30th July 2020. इसके टाइमिंग्स हैं बेटा from 12:30 to 2:30 PM. Instructions for the GK exam. Orals. Now listen properly. At 12:30 you have to join the group and start giving the attendance. जिस भी WhatsApp group में आप add हो उसमें जाके you will be giving your attendance. After giving your attendance, your ma'am is going to share a link at 12:45. So 12:30 से 12:45 के बीच में attendance time. And after that a link will be shared for the GK quiz at 12:45. GK quiz बेटा आपका Google form के तरह होगा. Okay, so you prepare yourself well for the GK quiz. That is going to be of 25 marks. Now topics covered क्या क्या हैं? Current awareness, Indian sports, sports persons, musical instruments, historical monuments which are of your country and abroad. So these are the topics which we have taken for your GK quiz. And बेटा importantly book में से नहीं आएगा, आपको awareness अपनी improve करनी पड़ेगी. You will have to improve your general knowledge. So start reading newspapers, start watching the news and keep yourself up to date. Your quiz timings will be 12:45 to 1:15. Half an hour time. ठीक है, 30 minutes you are going to get to complete the quiz. Now moving forward, we move to the next part of our GK orals and that is your poster making for spreading the corona awareness. Now this comes under the subject enrichment part of GK assessment. Okay children, so now this poster making activity you have to do for spreading the awareness of corona. This activity is of 15 marks. Now you have to use your creative ideas to draw, color. Okay, you can use your creativity. You can write a slogan, हिंदी में भी लिख सकते हैं, English में भी लिख सकते हैं, to spread the awareness of corona. It should be made on 1/4 of chart paper. चार्ट पेपर का 1/4 हिस्सा लेके बेटा उस पे आप लोग बनाएंगे. After making it, you will be sending it. You will click an image and send that image with your name, class, section and roll number written on it personally to your respective teachers WhatsApp number, not in the group. Okay children, so आप उसका picture खींच के you will send it so that your teachers can give you the marks. Time allotted for this activity is from 1:15 to 2:30. Okay, 1:15 बजे से आप क्विज ख़त्म करने के बाद से you will start making the poster. घर में जो सामान है उसी को यूज़ करिए. यूज़ योर crayons, pencil colors, water colors, है ना. You can use all those things, whatever is available. अगर चार्ट पेपर नहीं है आपके पास then you can use file paper, drawing copy, so that you can make a poster. You have old wedding cards, पुराने wedding cards पड़े हैं, है ना, उनको आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. So it just depends how creatively you make that poster. Okay children, so start preparing yourself, start going through the newspapers and keep yourself up to date for the GK quiz. Okay children, thank you.